welcome back to the channel. Today, my Porsche Cayenne is getting a roof rack. Now, this just arrived in the mail. I'm super excited about it because the roof rack is for skis that I have planned to install on the roof of the car. Now, this is a significantly large box. It's going to be interesting to see how this unfolds. Let's see how this original equipment manufactured piece fits onto my car. Now, as I'm unpackaging this box, I'm going to make sure that I make very light cuts into the box. I'm not going to make deep cuts because I don't want to damage the piece that's contained within. It's like Christmas came early, or late. Wow. Now I'm looking, I have the key. This key is very important because it's going to make sure it locks into place when it's installed on the roof. So I'm gonna put this in a safe place. Here are my roof racks. They look freaking incredible and I can't wait to get them installed. Alright, so I finally got the roof rack installed and it's looking wonderful. I got this from a parts dealer from, of all places, Aspen, Colorado. It's an original equipment part that's no longer manufactured by Porsche North America. They don't even carry the part because I called my parts manager. The part is completely discontinued. As you can see, it adds a little bit of depth and character to the car. Here's the roof rack and it looks wonderful. So one thing with the roof rack that I failed to explain earlier, when you actually place the key inside the keyhole and rotate it counterclockwise, this flap, it'll bend backwards and it will dislodge the roof rack and then you could slide it across the rider. And this is the entry point. Once it's locked into place, it cannot be removed. The entire weight of the vehicle will move with you. And there's the profile of the car. It actually gives it nice character and nice presence.